Alright, what's up? So, Mark 6 is back, guys. It's got a whole new motor. We left off on it being like kind of knocky.
Oh my goodness.
And now we got a motor. This has 43,000 miles. And today we're gonna put on a downpipe and finish up this build, because so far I had an intake on it. The exhaust isn't finished yet, and the tune's in. After this is on, then it's pretty much done, but I might need a clutch soon because it's starting to slip. But anyways, we're going to show you how to put on a 3-inch catted CTS downpipe. Alright guys, so to start off the downpipe install, first 2 bolts I took out were these lower ones. Right now I'm going to work on this little like brace. We might have to take this off to get the O2 off. I'm going to break it free and see if we can just like spin it out while it's on the car. And then we'll take out these far ones, or just this one. And then there's 4 turbo bolts up there, which will be a pain in the butt, and we will show you how to get to. So these 2 bolts right here, 17s, you're gonna have to take off this because it's a shield. And then that gives you access to the turbo bolts, which are right up there. Actually, that wouldn't be.
This car isn't well enough for it.
It just crushes your ribs. Alright guys, so right now we're taking off the intake system so that we can get behind the engine to get the last bolt. I just got the O2 bung off, I kind of just spun it off. So the last bolt's on the turbo, and then we'll be able to pull out the downpipe.
Hey.
Alex is putting the downpipe in right now.
CTS.
Doing some grinding.
Alex, you get your downpipe from eBay?
$500 downpipe from eBay.
Alex has a $50 downpipe installing right now.
500 actually.
Oh, great. Why is that so weak?
I don't know.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Why is that the weakest thing I've ever heard in my life? Michael starts it better than that. Does that sound any different to you? How hard are you revving?
Well guys, that's kind of a fail. I'll probably end up doing a muffler delete. It's pretty loud. I mean, I'm sure it'll be better on the streets.
It's so quiet, what are you talking about?
But yeah, there it is. We basically did the reverse process to get it back on in McDonald's.
Yeah, boy.
Spins, boys. Dude, I won't drive hard though.